Hi guys, so this is our demo website, and in here, instead of using the phone number and email address like this, let's add links to them. To do that, quickly log into your dashboard, WP-admin, enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. Go to Pages. This is the home page. Click on it. Scroll down. So here is the contact. Open this. Let's add links. Let's use a simple HTML. Go to text. In here, write href is equal to tel semicolon. Write the number. This number will be visible. Close it. Now let's do for the email. For emails, we use mail to. So something like this. This is done. You can also write directly by clicking on link. For phone, write tel. And write mail to for email. I showed using HTML as it will be easier to use it anywhere. This is done. Save it. Update page. Let me visit the page. And now the phone is clickable. And so is the email. Thank you very much.